let's open this up. Oh my gosh. You will not believe this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It will mean a lot to me if you can subscribe my YouTube channel right here. I do video every single day. Alright, today's videos, before I'm going to talk about what we're going to share with you, holiday, I know as much as you don't want to admit, holiday is coming up very soon. And I would strongly recommend that you start doing your shopping or planning your shopping because a lot of good deal is happening right now. The November Black Friday month, even Yibu Beauty has a really great value set. So this is the time to shop and to plan. So speaking about shopping, did you ever want to own a Chanel bag? I think a lot of you really want to own a Chanel bag, but Chanel bag now average costs you between $6,500 to $8,500. That is a crazy amount of money. Not that many people can afford. So today's video, I want to show you how to get a real Chanel bag under $99.
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.
Okay, so I'm being real. You can get real Chanel bag under $99. Do you believe me? Oh my god, you totally have to believe me. This is amazing. So a couple days ago, I launched a video talk about Chanel gifts, a gift set from chanel.com, and there's some amazing item in there. So now I'm going to turn this gift set to a Chanel bag. But quickly, let's review what is this gift set right here. This is Chanel. This year, their holiday theme, kind of like a shooting star. Oh, a lot of glow, glittery. It's very pretty, iridescent. And this is the lip and nail color set. And I forgot how much is this one. I'll put a link below. I will even put the original video down below so you can check it out. But I believe this is the most inexpensive one in the set. But check out this makeup pouch. It really is a makeup pouch. But I'm going to show you how to make this look like a real Chanel bag. First thing I want to show you is that right here is a Chanel. I mean, thank God they didn't say Chanel Beauty. And believe it or not, a lot of time now when you buy Chanel bag, they have a different logo on there or different Chanel prints on there. So it's very common you see Chanel on the surface of the bag, so it's okay. And if you look very closely, the material almost looks like Chanel tweed bag. If you don't know what's a Chanel tweed bag, let me show you. Hold please, where's my bag? Ta-da! This is a Chanel tweed bag, and to buy a bag like this right now would easily cost you, I don't know, I haven't bought Chanel for a long time, or at least $45,000 to $6,000 now. But this is under $99. Just look at this. Right, the material, it's not that far. I mean, yeah, this is a little bit better. There's a lot more detailed material going to here. But for under $100, this is not bad. Okay. Let me quickly show you what's in there. Oh wait, I need to show this real quick here. So what's really cool about this makeup pouch that we're going to turn into a crossbody is their zipper right here. Also say Chanel. You know, I don't know if you guys, a lot of time during the holiday seasons, different cosmetic companies, especially the fashion house cosmetic, divisions, they will use a bag, put on their logo. This is by Dior, right? This is their gift purchase bag. Even though the Dior bag is really cute, very nice material, but it's open all the way about 90 degrees like that. So you literally can make a crossbody with this. I mean, yeah, you really, and that's why the Chanel makeup pouch can make it happen. So this particular one comes with a lipstick. Let me show you. This color is absolutely pretty. And what I like about Chanel is that they are not giving you the most ugly color. Sometimes you buy holiday gift sets, right? If there's 3 lipstick in there, there's going to be one is okay, the other 2 is the most unattractive color. It will not work on any skin tone, but this one, it will. Nice new colors. Just about anyone and everyone can use, and all age too. And this is the nail lacquer, it's nail polish. Yeah, definitely you can see the color for this. But this color has been with Chanel forever. Like since I've been in cosmetic, I've seen this color. So they are really giving you the best of the best in their gift sets. Alright, enough talking about what's in here. What you want to know is how are you going to turn this into a crossbody. There are 2 things that you're going to need to do this. Number 1, you need a small, tiny scissor. And number 2, you need some kind of chain. And you can buy this from Amazon. I mean, I bought this last year. It is very affordable. And you buy the one with a little hook right here. See that? Okay. And if you really want to go all out for this, you can also find this type of ring like this. What you need to do is you see this Chanel pouch right here. There's a little 2 thing right, this part right here. I don't know what you call this thing right here. It's 2. So you want to cut this open in between, kind of remove the stitches in there. So this way you can put the chain over that. So you're going to do this very careful, don't hurt yourself. Yeah. All you're doing, just putting the knife, go through this area just a couple times, so you will open up. I feel like Chanel, when they create this, they probably already knew people were going to do that. And that's very nice. So now, just about everyone can own a Chanel bag. Last year, I bought a couple of this too, and I turned one of them to a crossbody, and I've been using it over a year now, and I'm going to show you later. It still looks amazing. See? Now you just open this. I don't know if you can see it. See? It's open up, right? Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so now both, I put a hole through it. Remember the little ring that I got right here? Over here. So now you have a hook. The good thing about is when you put the ring right here, it is so easy for you to change the chain. Let me show you the first one I'm going to do. So I get this gold chain with a pearl right here. And I'm going to just hook this on right here. Super simple. And you can definitely dress this up to become more elegant. Look! There's a Chanel crossbody bag. This one's under $70. Wow, look at this. And for example, the Dior one, you can't do it because they open all the way. Even if they just open on both sides, you still can't do it. There's nothing to hook the chain over it. So, yeah, that's why the Chanel makeup bag is so popular right now. So I also bought this pearl chain right here, so you can put it right in here. You see the little ring right here? This is why you need this, so you can just put anything over here to make it happen. Hey, let me know. Leave the comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Do you like this idea? This is so adorable. And I think it's perfect for your mom, for your girlfriend. Look how cute is this? Seriously. See? Crossbody. Let me go back a little bit. Wow. This is cute. I can even do it like that. Look, Chanel bag. So now, let me show you the one I bought from last year. This is the one I used from last year. After using for 1 year, still very, very good quality. I mean, hold really well. And the bag is very large. It holds a lot of stuff in there. So it's a very function. It's useful too. And you can do like holding in your hand like this. How cute is this? So let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you think this is a good idea for your loved one. And I wish you good luck to find this amazing bag. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.